Good morning, my NPP peeps. It's going to be another wild and woolly ride this morning. Yesterday, bloodbath, obviously, sliced right through what I thought would hold this low right here, right around the 32.20 area, just knifed right through it. Went through all the areas that I thought would hold and is now testing the .382 retrace of this move. So we'll see if the lows of yesterday hold. We are set up for a bounce. If you look at this is the RSI 5 right here. I mean, just look how extremely oversold that is. All my sentiment indicators that were cooked 2 days ago are even more cooked on the bearish side. There is going to be a bounce. The question is from where. So I think we just watch to see if yesterday's lows hold, which was right around 31.18. It's a very important level for today. If they don't hold, we're probably going to hit this 200 SMA first before we bounce. Be a little short-term pain, but the bounce will be massive when it comes. If we do hold these lows, I'm expecting at least a .382 retrace at around 32.23. We'll be selling most all of our short-term trades that we added yesterday in this region right here towards the end of the day. And then raising stops in case this is all the bounce we get. If we get it, let's see. But this 32.23 area, even this 32.12 zone is probably a good place to start selling. This will be resistance right here. What was support, once broken, will probably be resistance for a little bit. So look for this 32.14 or 32.12, 32.23 area for a nice bounce. If we can close above that and repair that area, we could get a 32.56, a 32.88, and if some positive coronavirus news or Fed comes out and says we are going to lower rates because of this coronavirus, probably a gap fill, but I'm not counting on it. I'm just looking for this 32.23. Eventually, I do think we're going to hit this 200 SMA. No matter how far we bounce, I think we're going to come down and do some sort of C wave, maybe a double bottom. But I'm anticipating or preparing for a move back to the 200 SMA. Like I said, it could be today. We'll just have to wait and see. There's also a couple of very oversold names that I'll be looking at for bounce plays, and particularly in the chip space. They've just been obliterated. NVDA, this has been just a massive winner all year. Has come back down into support right here, right around its 50-day moving average. Going to wait for stochastics to turn back up, see if that can happen sometime this week, and then jump in for a potential trade up here to this 10 SMA. Quick trade. Another one, AMD, another massive winner back down here into support, right just below its 50-day. Would be looking for, some signs of a turnaround. And then once we start turning around, stochastics turn back up, play for a move back up to the 10 SMA. Another one, LRCX, another winner, right back down into support. We'll be looking for stochastics to turn up again and play for a trade to this 10 SMA. Another name I like, Netflix. It's coming back down here into the support area. This has been, an area Netflix has struggled with for a while. but I think it finds support at least, around this 50 SMA. And then once stochastics turn back up, I'm going to get long for a trade, probably for a trade up to this 10 SMA. So those are all quick trades, just really snapback trades. And then let's look at how NEO's doing. It's sold off yesterday. I was able to sell calls at the 6 level at the open against our current longs, and then added right around here about 456 on this sell-off. NEO typically sells off after these big jumps, but I like how it held the gap, and we'll see how it continues to hold. This 50 SMA is key. As long as that 50 SMA holds, I'm still expecting a move to the 6, and then possibly the 697, 750 area. That's all we got for today. It's going to be volatile, but there is opportunity in volatility. So trade safe, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Ta-ta.